Welcome to our channel. If you're a coffee lover, you know that starting the day with a perfect cup of espresso can make all the difference. Investing in a high-quality espresso machine not only saves you money in the long run, but also gives you the freedom to enjoy barista-quality coffee right at home. Whether you're looking to enhance your morning routine, impress guests with cafe-style drinks, or simply indulge in a rich, flavorful brew whenever you please, having an espresso machine is a game changer. In this video, we'll be showcasing the top 5 best espresso machines available, catering to various needs and budgets. Let's dive in and find the perfect machine to elevate your coffee experience. For more such content, subscribe to our channel now and press the bell icon for regular updates. If you want to know more about the products or want to know about their latest pricing, links to all the products mentioned in this video are given in the description box below. Let's get started. At number 5, we have Breville Barista Express, best for beginners. The Breville Barista Express is an outstanding all-in-one espresso machine that brings the coffee shop experience to your kitchen. Over the past 4 years, it has consistently proven its worth through rigorous home and lab testing. This machine seamlessly combines a conical burr grinder, high-pressure extraction, a professional-style portafilter, and a powerful milk frother. The machine offers an almost fully automatic brewing process, grinding and dispensing the right amount of coffee into the portafilter. With a few simple steps, you can enjoy a hot espresso in under a minute. It features 16 grind settings, adjustable coffee doses, and manual control over water usage, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced baristas. The polished, upscale design, with options like brushed stainless steel and black sesame, ensures it looks great in any kitchen. The illuminated control panel is especially handy for early mornings. From a powerful frother to a spacious 67-ounce water tank and half-pound bean hopper, the Barista Express is equipped to handle multiple shots without constant refilling. The machine includes various tools like a stainless steel jug, grinder funnel, magnetic tamper, and the custom-sized razor dose trimming tool for optimal espresso preparation. Despite its higher price, the Breville Barista Express is a fantastic investment for true espresso, cappuccino, or latte lovers. Its high-quality coffee, customizable settings, and all-in-one design make it worth every penny. The Breville Barista Express is a top-tier choice for home baristas, combining professional quality features with user-friendly design, making it an excellent value for its price. At number 4, we have the Philips 3200 series LatteGo Best Automatic. The Philips 3200 series LatteGo is an impressive fully automatic espresso machine that simplifies the process of making your favorite coffee drinks at home. With its sleek black finish and user-friendly touchscreen control panel, this machine fits beautifully into any kitchen decor. It's designed for ease of use, offering a one-step operation to brew espresso, cappuccino, latte macchiato, americano, and more. The LatteGo attachment froths milk to creamy perfection, making it easy to create barista-quality beverages. It features a removable water reservoir and a built-in grinder with adjustable settings, ensuring a fresh and customized coffee experience. The machine's compact design, despite its robust capabilities, means it won't take up excessive counter space. Maintenance is a breeze with the Philips 3200, thanks to its easily removable parts and indicators for when the drip tray or coffee grounds container needs emptying. Its fast heating and brewing times make it a convenient choice for busy mornings. Overall, the Philips 3200 series LatteGo is a reliable, high-quality espresso machine that delivers delicious coffee drinks with minimal effort. At number 3, we have Casabrews Espresso Machine CM 5418. Best budget. The Casabrews Espresso Machine CM 5418 is an exceptional budget-friendly option for espresso enthusiasts. Its compact design, measuring only 12.3 by 12 by 5.9 inches, makes it perfect for small kitchens, while its classic aesthetic, available in multiple colors, adds a touch of style to any countertop. Despite its modest price, this machine delivers impressive 20-bar pressure, ensuring hot and flavorful espresso shots every time. With simple one-touch buttons for brewing and steaming, even beginners can make excellent coffee. The machine offers both 1-cup and 2-cup options and includes a steam wand for frothing milk, allowing for a variety of coffee beverages. The removable water reservoir and drip tray make for easy refilling and cleaning. Although there are minor compromises, such as the need for slightly coarser grounds and a basic plastic tamper, the Casabrews CM 5418 provides outstanding value for its price, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to enjoy quality espresso at home without breaking the bank. At number 2, we have Breville, the Barista Touch Impress Best Premium. The Breville Barista Touch Impress is a top-tier espresso machine designed to simplify and enhance your home coffee experience. Combining state-of-the-art technology with user-friendly features, this machine ensures café-quality drinks with minimal effort. The touchscreen interface guides users through every step, from grinding beans to steaming milk, making it incredibly easy for novices and seasoned baristas to craft perfect beverages. The intuitive touchscreen display walks you through drink preparation with clear, full-color images and step-by-step instructions. The machine heats up quickly and completes the brewing process in about 2 minutes, making it perfect for busy mornings. With 30 grind settings and options for various milk types, including dairy, oat, almond, and soy, users can tailor their drinks to their exact preferences. The integrated burr grinder and precise extraction process ensure rich, flavorful espresso with excellent crema. The automatic milk frothing system creates smooth, creamy foam for lattes, cappuccinos, and more. The Impress Puck system streamlines the tamping process, reducing mess and ensuring consistent results. Despite its premium price, the Breville Barista Touch Impress offers exceptional value through its combination of high-end performance, ease of use, and customization options, making it a standout choice for home espresso enthusiasts. Finally, at number 1, we have Breville Bambino Plus Best Overall. The Breville Bambino Plus is a standout espresso machine that combines performance, ease of use, and compact design, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned baristas. Its sleek, space-saving footprint is perfect for any kitchen, while its powerful features ensure a premium coffee experience. The thermojet heating system brings the machine to the optimal temperature in just 3 seconds, ensuring you can enjoy your espresso without long waits. With clearly labeled buttons and an intuitive interface, the Bambino Plus is incredibly easy to operate. The automatic pre-infusion feature gradually increases water pressure for even extraction, making it forgiving for novice users. This machine pulls rich, flavorful espresso shots with impressive consistency. The gradual pressure buildup enhances the saturation of coffee grounds, resulting in superior taste. The steam wand offers 3 temperature and foam settings, producing silky microfoam, perfect for lattes and cappuccinos. This automated feature simplifies the milk frothing process, delivering professional quality results. The machine's built-in shot counter and cleaning reminders ensure it stays in top condition, prolonging its lifespan. Additionally, the removable water reservoir and easy-to-clean drip tray add to its user-friendly maintenance. Overall, the Breville Bambino Plus delivers exceptional value with its high-end features and affordable price, making it a must-have for coffee enthusiasts seeking a reliable and efficient espresso machine. That's it for today, folks. If you find the video helpful, please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel for more such content. Thanks for watching.